In the heart of the blocks, in the edge of the parks, lives a beauty so fierce it sparks.
From the hood to the trailer, there's a story untold about the queens in the shadows, bold and gold, a rockin' thrift store chic, a sneakers on feet. Every woman here stands strong, can't retreat. Hair up in a bun, or flowing in curls, diamonds in the rough, the genuine pearls. From porches with laughter, streets with beats, to the trailer park dreams, unforgotten streets. Underneath the city lights are stars so bright, they shine with a glow pure and right, with a strength, force and fire, and a style so smart. Beauty from the hood, straight from the heart. From the blocks to the parks, their spirit shines. Resilient souls in the hardest times, they're the pride of the streets with dreams so large. Real beauty lives in the hood and the trailer parks. From the blocks to the parks, the spirit shines. Resilient souls in the hardest times, they're the pride of the streets with dreams so large. Real beauty lives in the hood and the trailer parks. In the ends where the wild things play, trailer park queens slaying all day. In a world that's rough, they hold the crown, turning tough times into a jewel gown. Hustling hard in a world that's dark, but their spirits of fire, a blazing spark. In a land of the forgotten, they rise above, teaching lessons of grace and love. From concrete gardens to fields of green, their beauty's the realest we've ever seen. A story of grace written in the stars. From the hood to the trailer parks, these women are ours. From the blocks to the parks, their spirit shines. Resilient souls in the hardest times, they're the pride of the streets with dreams so large. Real beauty lives in the hood and the trailer. From the blocks to the parks, their spirit shines. Resilient souls in the hardest times, they're the pride of the streets with dreams so large. Real beauty lives in the hood and the trailer parks. Here's to the ladies from every rough part, the soul of the street, the beat of the heart. In every trailer park whisper, in every hood's remark, lives a beauty unbound, a bright eternal spark. Their story's not just surviving, but how they embark to find beauty and hope in the hood and the trailer parks.